Greetings, Massive. It is Dr. Martin Luther King Day today. So let's talk about dreams. Dr. King's most popular speech that was delivered in 1963 was entitled,
I have a dream. I have a dream.
Now, his dream was expansive, but in a very tiny nutshell, his dream was that African Americans would be void of segregation and racism. But him did do some other things too. He promoted non-violent methods of protesting. He led the civil rights movement and opened the door for education and employment for Black Americans. Now, some of we have dreams, but fear is in our way. Now, don't fear the fact that you have fear, because fear is natural. So much so that the Bible uses the phrase fear not 365 times. That is one fear not per day, except when you have the leap year, then you just carry it over back like long division. I have a word for you. 6 tips to help you to achieve your dreams, your desires, your aspirations this year. The list is not exhaustive because, of course, all of the tips them could not all into the one little video. Tip number 1, write them down so that when you read it back, you understand the vision. Tip number 2, get an accountability partner. You need to trust somebody and they will keep you accountable and tell back your dreams to you. Faith comes by hearing. So the more you hear your dreams from your accountability partner, the more you are inclined to go after your dreams because you are hearing it from them and therefore it is registered into your brain. Tip number 3, get the help you need to accomplish your goals. There is this trend going around where people believe, I did that by myself. No, you did not. The bus that you take to go to work, the person that drives that bus helped you to go to work. A lot of us catch flights, not feelings. Well, they're hot. The pilot helped you to go to where you're going. Tip number 4, celebrate the small wins. No, for we not like celebrate small wins because we believe that we must only celebrate when we reach to the big goal. It is imperative that you celebrate your small wins because in the beginning, the earth was without form and void. And so God gave himself a goal. So the first step was when him say, let there be light. And you see, after the light was created, what him say? God saw the light and it was good. Him pre the light and him say, yeah man, the light is bright, man, it well bright, it shine bright like a diamond. You see me, although the diamond would really exist yet because, well, right. But if the creator took the time to celebrate step 1, what says me and you? Why not, man? Tip number 5, avoid distractions. Some other things that procrastination is the thief of joy. But you know what can really thief out the joy out of your coffee? Distractions. Numero 6, do not worry about achieving your goals. And I get it. More easily said than done. But one of the practical ways to avoid getting worried is to get cracking. When you are busy working towards your goal, your mind is engaged in the activities that will lead to the achievement of your goals. Don't sit down and say, okay, I must not worry, I must not worry, I must not. If you do that, you're gonna just worry. Get busy. Get up, rise up, like when they sent lift up over River Tandump and get cracking. Well, people, that is my 2 cents. Have a great Dr. Martin Luther King Day. You have a dream. You can accomplish that dream. And in the words of my gym instructor, do your best and forget the rest. Okay.